right? So now we are trying to understand what is that goal set by government, right? I think already I share you screen, right? So simultaneously you are focused on that screen. Yesterday I think that already I completed that skill development and training programs after digital and skill development in India. Revise Virgin programs launch Skill India, skill development in India, dual change public goods, 12 million youth. That is, I told you that getting to 2.7 million jobs, and there are the many challenges under that category. 12 challenges come there. Also, I explained in the last lecture that is the meaning to harness the human resources potential region, equipping the prospective or existing members to work force material marketable skill through the vocational training meet to the requirement, and that programs may implement in 8 5 years plans, right? 10% workforce to the higher education information systematic. Also Skill India efforts skill mission launch 15 July 2015. So that Pradhan Mantri, one of the, what we say that one of the scheme is there implemented by government, uh, Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. On your screen, see here, Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. That is a Hindi name. Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana, implemented by Government of India. Clear? So in this schemes through, we are trying to achieving to the Sustainable Development Goals program. So that program is not a new. Already I explain you many programs of the government when it comes to the enroll year 2014 revised to that all programs, right? So in that category they are program comes. Now next, National Skill Development Mission under the program, some implement the programs. That National Skill Development Mission approved Union Cabinet in 1st July 2014. And purpose of that scheme is what? To give the, what I say you here, to give the majority benefits to all people who jobless and who want to the job, right? So that purpose of that, Government of India started, here is in purple color, there is one title I share on our screen, National Skill Development Mission. One more importance, that 1st July also celebrate in India as a National Skill Development Mission, that is a 1st July is a Youth Skill Day. Purpose of what? To give the every hand to work. प्रत्येक हाताला काम मिळालं पाहिजे. Clear? Also establishment of MSDE. Anybody know about that MSDE? माहिती आहे का काय? बोला. That is also one purpose of that. Throughout then government trying to the development in our country. Clear? And they are the implement that MSDE. as for the throughout the government, that MSDE, 1 minute, sorry, trying to development. Yes, they are trying to development throughout the programs implement to the MSDE. Where are there is a 3 tiers under come to the National Skill Development Mission, Governing Council for Policy Guidance. We already learned some structure of our planning commission, which already discussed in planning. Like same here is a 3 tiers, means what we say that administration of skill development program. So under there are implement the Governing Council for Policy Guidance. There is a established one starting committee. And that committee have suggest some policies. Then in the second tier comes to the mission directors, direct as a executive arm mission, who have come to suggestions under the skill development, that mission direct as a execute to that policies, to look that policies and implement the program. And that is a NSDA, NSDC, where implement the programs. Clear? In generally here under that objective whatever have said by National Skill Development Mission, they implement to them throughout the NSDA, NSDC and DGST. Clear? So one more importance I tell you here, त्याच्यामध्ये अजून एक महत्त्वाची गोष्ट अशी आहे की हा प्रोग्राम वरती खूप सारा फोकस केला त्याच्यामध्ये, that NSDA which have work on a more development of people of our India. Clear? So under that category, government implement many schemes, and that all scheme, one most important purpose is what? Giving all people who are the jobless or who want jobs, they implement the scheme through of the skill development programs. So yes, so that skill development program is implemented. Now next, there is a top 10 organization, missions and schemes implemented under the skill development program. Top 10 organization. So first come is there Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Kushal Yojana. Throughout that scheme, especially people comes to the rural background and give the work for that all people. There are implemented that scheme. That scheme is called Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Yojana. Clear? So that scheme was really popular when started. Next one is scheme Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. That scheme specially for National Urban Livelihoods Mission. Here, Antyodaya means many family in India, there is no any child or daughter or who are the no any family caretaker. In that families, they started that scheme, right? And the name of that schemes is called Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. Another one scheme for implement under the Director General of Training, that is modular employable skills, that is DGTMES. Modular employable skill means small scale business you start in your level. You always never depend on any jobs. You have to start your own job. प्रत्येक वेळे असं नाहीये की तुम्ही कुठल्या तरी जॉबला डिपेंड राहायचं, मग कोणीतरी तुम्हाला जॉब देणार आणि मग कुठेतरी तुम्ही एम्प्लॉय होणार. So better way, you take on such types of skill and you start your business, own business. Clear? Ministry of Labor and Employment, MOLE. Yes, in India, that also started Ministry of Labor and Employment scheme. Then also started Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. That is many time I told you that NREGA. आता हे बऱ्यापैकी तुम्ही पेपर मध्ये वाचत आहात. क्लियर? महात्मा गांधी नॅशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गॅरंटी, याला असं सुद्धा म्हणतात मनरेगा. मनरेगा म्हणजे काय सर? मनरेगा म्हणजे महात्मा गांधी, मनरेगा. Anybody know the under that scheme what is work in India? या स्कीमच्या अंडर काय पॉलिसीज इंडियामध्ये इम्प्लिमेंट होतात माहिती आहे कोणाला? बोला. येस. ऐकत बसते, बोलणार नाही काय बोला म्हणलं. Yes, please. What is the implement under scheme of Manrega, or that is NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? And many one also criticized to that scheme also. बऱ्याच वेळा त्या स्कीमचं क्रिटिसाइज पण झालं. टू युअर इन्फॉर्मेशन. Okay, Amira is replying employment to the rural people. Okay. बर, अजून? मला सांगाल त्याच्यातली एखादी स्कीम तुम्हाला माहिती असणार आहे? Yes, Shravani is replying Indian labor law measures that aims to guarantee right to work. Very good. How many days they give a guarantee for work under that Manrega scheme? Anybody know that? How many days? Very good, 100 days. वा छान. Absolutely right की आपल्या इंडियामध्ये. Yes, Amira, Srushti, your good answer. Shravani also. Throughout that scheme, minimum give the 100 days job. Throughout that scheme, कमीत कमी 100 दिवस तरी त्या लोकांना जॉब मिळावा हे त्याचं पर्पज होता आणि ती स्कीम खूप पॉप्युलर झाली. म्हणजे झाली आहे दॅट प्रेझेंटली ऑल्सो वर्किंग. नाव नेक्स्ट स्कीम ऑन युअर स्क्रीन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ skill development and entrepreneurship. Yes, it is related to, again, you start your small business. And Mudra Yojana through government giving loans. So under that Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Then another one scheme, National Skill Development Corporation. I already told you that long form, that MSDE, NSDC, right? National Skill Development Corporation. Different types of to specialization skills throughout the some training programs. Implement that programs through the National Skill Development Corporation, and that also popular. NSDA, that is National Skill Development Agencies. That three agencies have that three programs is most important to the skill development and training program. First one is that Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, National Skill Development Corporation, and one more, National Skill Development Agency. National Rural Livelihoods Mission. Above some scheme related to the skill development and training programs overall, there is no any discrimination for rural or urban. But that NRLM under the scheme, especially who are living in rural areas, there are target to the development of that people under the scheme of National Rural Livelihoods Mission. Next one is a Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. To implement or to development the your skills, that scheme implement by government. So that is we called Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. Yes, sir, you understand that all 10 organization, top 10 organization, missions and schemes just I told you here, and that all are mission on your screen. Yes, tell me, where you confused, where you full-fledged, or there is a confusion? बोला बोला काहीतरी बोला. आपण खूप फास्ट चाललोय का? टोटली आउट ऑफ कव्हरेज एरिया. आता सध्या तुम्ही अभ्यास कशात न करता मग सगळे? Presently what you refer for study? Google? Okay. अजून? टोटली गुगल वरती डिपेंड आहे बर. बाकीचे लोक बोला जरा. मेरा डिपेंड ऑन लेक्चर. ओके. सेल्फ स्टडी किती लोकांना स्टार्ट केला बरं? खरंच सांगा जरा. कुणाला पनिश नाही करणार नाही केला म्हणून. येस. हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स प्रेझेंटली फोकस ऑन सेल्फ स्टडी? किती लोकांचा फोकस मी बट इको का नाही. इकोचा सोडून सगळ्याचा चाल केला. बर, भारी आहात पोरं तुम्ही. मग इकोचा सोडून बाकी सर्व विषयाचा स्टडी सुरू आहे. आय एम राईट? मग कशाच चालू आहे, कशाचं बंद आहे, मला जरा सांगा की. बोला, आपण जरा बोलूया थोडं. देन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. कॉम्प्युटरचा पण नाही अजून. मला सांगा तो कोणत्या कोणत्या सब्जेक्टला तुम्हाला आता लेक्चर्स होतात. येस, ओपन सेशन वी डिस्कस अँड देन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. आय जस्ट आस्क टू यू व्हॉट इज द प्रॉब्लेम. तर आपण मग पुढच्या टॉपिक कडे जाऊया. So that all are on your screen already. Yes, that all top skill development and training programs. Now next program under comes to the achieving development goals. That name of program topic is a foreign investment policy measures in India. To attract foreign investment to our country, our India's Prime Minister visit many countries. आपले जे मोदी साहेब होते त्यांनी खूप साऱ्या कंट्रीमध्ये व्हिजिट केली आणि त्याचं पर्पजच काय होतं की आपल्या इंडियामध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणायची. राईट. दॅट नॉट taken initiative only present government, many government in India also taken initiative to come to the foreign investment to our country. So there are the some measures we have to evaluate that, measuring that foreign investment in India under this topic. India in world level 11th position in foreign direct investment in confidence index 2018. ज्या वर्ल्ड वाईड जेवढ्या कंट्रीज आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये आपण कितव्या रँकला आहेत? रँक 11th. राईट. व्हॉट इज रँक ऑफ अवर इंडिया फॉर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट? वी हॅव कम टू द 11th पोझिशन. 11th. आता कोरोना व्हायरस म्हणजे कोविड-19 आल्यापासून आपल्याला असं वाटत होतं की इंडियामध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट येईल. का येईल? पण आता कोविड-19 हे आन्सर देऊ नका, मी ते ऑलरेडी सांगितले. When that disease is spread in world, our investors, they are the what we say that forecasting. Many foreign countries can be invest in India. असं का वाटलं त्यांना? हा? Pharmaceuticals. No, I'm asked reason. And you are giving answer, I think. Syed Rifai, yes, you are giving examples of companies. But I say here, why investors forecasting that COVID-19, how India has to opportunity to rise foreign FDI in our India. What is that reason? You don't say that COVID-19. Another there. Whether you read everyday newspapers, watching televisions, then you know that Now we have chance to raise foreign investment to our country. Sales expectation not fulfilled. Okay, Shravani, you are replying. Azun, one global reason, and that global reasons have we to the chance. I'm asking that global reason. Lockdown, money problems. Amira, okay. मनीचा आणि एफडीआयचं काय रिलेशन आहे? मनी प्रॉब्लेम्स, एम्प्लॉयमेंट. मला सांगा, कोणतीही कंट्री कोणाच्या भलं करण्यासाठी येत नाही, त्याचा पर्पज आहे म्हणून ती येते. इफेक्ट ऑन डिमांड फॉरकास्ट. तुम्ही सगळे हे लोकल रिझन सांगताय मला. आपण एफडीआय इंडियामध्ये का वाढलं किंवा एक्सपेक्टेशन होतं, खरं वाढलं नाहीये. खूप साऱ्या लोकांनी थिअरीज मांडल्या की नाव वी हॅव चान्स टू attract foreign investment in India, and that is one of the global reason for attracting that investment, and we are waiting. अजून सुद्धा आपल्याला असं वाटतं की ती इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आपल्या इंडियामध्ये येईल, अजूनही असं वाटतं. बोलिए जी भाई 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 सब. अरे simple reason is there. China lost the investors' confidence. China, yes, they under secrecy, they not give the actual numbers. COVID-19, how many people affected, and what is the main cause that COVID-19? It is a natural virus or a man-made virus. There is a still debate. I don't know also, and no one also in world people. It is man-made or it is natural. So majority investors, they think that China now not that trustworthy country to the investment. But practically, that is long process. That is a long process. Who live to the China and come to in India for investment. It is too much long process, and we are still waiting. But that not rise investment, that is also reality. Presently, foreign direct investment very important to rise the investment, because that deposited or come to the currency in our name of a country. In economic survey, whether you observing or studied, there comes to the highest contribute the higher economic growth. Or some theories try to explaining that foreign trade is a engine of development. What I told you here, try to listen carefully and also understand. Foreign trade is what? Foreign trade is a engine of growth or economic growth, we can be say that. Yes, that is true. And now you know very well in world level, China get that advantage. Before few years, means up to 19, there is a cold war between Russia and USA. And finally, during 90, Russia have collapsed, means Russia separated into the 12 small nations. After come to rule on Russia, Gorbachev, I already told you that name. So opposite of America, now no one are the oppositor. So after 90, superpower is USA. Superpower is USA. But last 10 years, China make some challenges, or in world politics, China recently too much active, right? And how you know that China, that in China, that is a China Communist Party, who continuously expanding his boundaries. Also, some of the in international level expanding, capturing new islands, right? And also worldwide, they started to the development. Many countries in South Africa, many countries, and they have established investment in that countries. So yes, China have a successful to the world trade. So how you know that recently when that policies is changed, especially that Hong Kong finally merged in China, that Hong Kong and British, whether come to the rule, Britishers on China, they are the taken that Hong Kong for the 100 years agreement. That agreement is over 1999, and that hand over to China. And recently, how you know that no one country, exception of America, who openly say that China make that virus, but any country can say to China. Also, our great Prime Minister visited into the defense that Ladakh after killed to our militants, 14 soldiers. Our Prime Minister also never give to the openly name of China. You just saying that we never accepted, or we never our boundaries we know due to any types of adjustment and all, but never single line telling about China. I know that that is world politics, but can be shows that China have expanding its boundaries and all. It can be shows that, and that is reality we cannot be denied, right? So yes, in world politics there is a huge change. That is another topic of study. But in India, here contribution of higher economic growth. Invest in India, that is a DIPP data 2000 December 2017. There is a huge changes under that policy we implemented and working through of that development policies in India, right? One more importance to attract investment from foreigners to India. Government started programs, clear, that Department of Economic Affairs, Government of India, and comes to the foreign direct investment, clear. So that many views comes together. or in this way we can be understand how the change of policies or how to implement the policies. I think any query on that topic? Yes, please reply. Are you say something in this topic? Can we stop here today? No? Or continue, Saurabh? Okay, no query. Okay, I understand. Okay, type your name. पूर्ण नाव टाईप करा तुमचं नाव आणि सरनेम एवढं तरी कमीत कमी पाहिजेच. येस येस सगळ्यांनी नुसतं नाव टाईप नाही करायचं. येस 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 बाकीच्या लोकांनी पण टाईप करा नाव सगळ्यांनी. Yes, now I today stop here, and now we meet on next week, and in the next week we continue the same topic. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye. Yes.